Why is dropshipping hard? Is it dead? Reasons why you should not do dropshipping in 2018. Hey, what is up guys? This is Harry. In today's video we are going to discuss about dropshipping. There are many online platforms where you can do dropshipping. Shopify is just one of them. You can dropship using Wix, you can dropship using WooCommerce WordPress plugin. Many are there, but people only using Shopify when it comes to dropshipping anyways. Let's come to the topic why you shouldn't do dropshipping. Number 1, it's too competitive. People are going crazy about dropshipping and money. Almost all free kids out there are doing dropshipping, so people have lost trust about this alternate shops that is Shopify shops. Number 2, shipping takes too long. Shipping of an item from AliExpress takes a long time, even if you choose US suppliers still. Number 3, low profit margins on good selling products. Number 4, not everything depends on you. If your supplier will make a mistake, everything goes on you. 5. Difficult refund process as you are dropshipping. But wait, let me tell you one more thing. Dropshipping is a bit of hard thing to do, but it works for most of the people out there. So if you wish to do, go for it. And that's all. Things you shouldn't do dropshipping for. Hope you are in a comfort now. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more comforting tips like this.